Alright, basa po tayo ulit. Lucas Kapitulo 1, versikulo 76 hanggang 80. So, Luke chapter 1, verse 76 to 80. And version natin ASD, ang salita ng Diyos. So, yeah, let's do this. By the way, ito yung part 2 nung binasa natin kahapon. Yung title nung binasa natin kahapon, ang pahayag ni Zacharias. So, this is part 2. This is part 2. Okay, verse 76. Sinabi naman ni Zacharias sa anak niya, ikaw naman anak ay tatawaging propeta ng kataas-taasang Diyos. Dahil mauuna ka pa sa Panginoon upang ihanda ang mga tao sa kanyang pagdating. 77. Ituturo mo sa kanyang mga mamamayan kung paano sila maliligtas sa pamamagitan ng kapatawaran ng kanilang mga kasalanan. 78. Dahil maawain at mapagmahal ang ating Diyos, ipapadala niya mula sa itaas ang tagapagligtas tulad ng pagsikat ng araw. 79. Upang tanglawan ang mga taong nasa kadiliman at takot sa kamatayan. At tayo'y patnubayan sa daan ng kapayapaan. Last verse 80. Lumaki ang batang si Juan at lumakas sa espiritu. Nanirahan siya sa ilang hanggang sa araw na nagsimula siyang mangaral sa mga Israelita. Medyo maaga tayo, so I'm going to read this on KJV then NLT probably. Alright. Verse 76. And thou shalt be called the prophet of the highest. For thou shalt go before the face of the Lord to prepare his way. Pave his way. 77. To give knowledge of salvation unto his people by the remission of their sins. Kapatawaran ng kanilang kasalanan. 78. Through the tender mercy of our God, whereby the day spring from on high hath visited us. 79. To give light to them that sit in darkness and in the shadow of death. That's the reason why I want to read this in KJV, in English at least. To guide our feet into the way of peace. And the child grew, verse 80, and the child grew and walked strong in spirit, and was in the deserts till the day of his showing unto Israel. Till the day unto his showing of our Lord Jesus Christ, of the Messiah, who John the Baptist paved the way. NLT, I'm just going to read this in NLT as well. So verse 76, right? All right. And you, my little son, will be called the prophet of the Most High, because you will prepare the way for the Lord. You will tell his people how to find salvation through forgiveness of their sins, remission of their sins. 78. Because of God's tender mercy, the morning light from heaven is about to break upon us. It's kind of good as well, right? To listen to or to hear. 79. To give to those who sit in darkness and in the shadow of death, and to guide us to the path of peace. John grew up and became strong in spirit, and he lived in the wilderness until he began his public ministry to Israel. All right, okay. Until he began his public ministry to Israel. All right. ESV, it's like a Bible study now. All right. ESV, verse 76. And you will be called the prophet of the Most High, for you will go before the Lord to prepare his way, or his ways. 77. To give knowledge of salvation to his people, and to give knowledge of salvation to his people in the forgiveness of their sins. 78, because of the tender mercy of our God, because of the tender mercy of our God, whereby the sunrise shall visit us from on high, to give 79, to give light to those who sit in darkness and in the shadow of death. I can recall Psalm chapter 23. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. And then it will say there as well, though we walk in the shadow of the valley of death, I will fear no evil. All right, that part. All right, verse 79, to give light to those who sit in darkness and in the shadow of death, to guide our feet into our way of peace. Verse 80, and the child grew and became strong in spirit, and he was in the wilderness until the day of his public appearance to Israel. And in KJV, until the day of his appearing. Is it in his appearing? Let me just check. Until the day of his showing unto Israel. Okay. So in other version, his public ministry, meaning John's public ministry. I was thinking on KJV, until the showing of our Lord Jesus Christ. I stand corrected. NIV, 6 minutes. It's just 6 minutes anyway, so I'm gonna read this. So verse 76 NIV, Luke chapter 1, and you, my child, will be called a prophet of the Most High, for you will go on before the Lord to prepare the way for him. 77, to give his people the knowledge of salvation through the forgiveness of their sins, because of the tender mercy of our God, by which the rising sun will come to us from heaven. 79, to shine on those living in darkness and in the shadow of death, to guide our feet into the path of peace. And the child grew, and John the Baptist grew, and the child grew and became strong in spirit, and he lived in the wilderness until he appeared publicly to Israel. Now, having said that, because we still have time, I'm gonna read it again in ASD. Ano lang, medyo masarap lang siya talaga. Kumbaga parang, ewan ko, ako nare-relax ako eh. So, basahin ko na rin po ito. Ulit, sa pangalawang beses. Lucas Kapitulo 1, versikulo 76 hanggang 80. 76. Sinabi naman ni Zachariah sa anak niya, ikaw naman anak, ay tatawaging propeta ng kataas-taasang Diyos dahil mauuna ka pa sa Panginoon upang ihanda ang mga tao sa kanyang pagdating. 77. Ituturo mo sa kanyang mga mamamayan kung paano sila maliligtas sa pamamagitan ng kapatawaran ng kanilang mga kasalanan. KJV, remission of sins. Other versions, forgiveness of sins. 78, dahil maawain at mapagmahal ang ating Diyos, ipapadala niya mula sa itaas ang tagapagligtas tulad sa pagsikat ng araw. 79, upang tanglawan ang mga taong nasa kadiliman at takot sa kamatayan. At tayo'y patnubayan sa daan ng kapayapaan. 80, lumaki ang batang si Juan at lumakas sa espiritu. Nanirahan siya sa ilang hanggang sa araw na nagsimula siyang mangaral sa mga Israelita. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. There's no explanation needed. There's no sharing of interpretation needed because we've just read a lot of versions today. And self-explanatory naman, describing how John the Baptist grow in spirit and what is expected of him and what he is about to do as well. Okay, that's it. God bless you guys. Keep safe. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.